Like if you want to sell stuff, you need a plugin. You want to build email list, of course, you need a plugin. So it's totally different than StanStore or any tools you use where you cannot do what you need to do unless. Hey, this is Kinan, and this video is about making our custom storefront, and it's the part 1 of our custom made storefront series. We will jump into the process right away because we have a lot to cover, but please watch the part 0 first if you have no context before you are wasting time here, because this video is not for everyone. Okay, so in this part 1, we will build our custom storefront in 14 chapters. First, we are going to prepare the hosting and the domain. Next, we are going to install the website directly from our new hosting. Once installed, we are going to talk about themes and the plugin as well. Next, we install our funnel feature, a plugin, along with the storefront features and the drag and drop page builder feature. After that, we will create our product samples, downloadable products, and then we will create our basic funnel, the landing page, the checkout, and the thank you page. But we will customize it in the video part 2. After that, we set up our manual payment first and test it, and then setting up the automatic payment, we will use PayPal and test it with real transaction. Then we will check the transaction from our seller dashboard, the customer's email, and my PayPal account to see the money. So it's going to be a real test, okay? And finally, we will take a look into the storefront result after we do the customization in the video part 2, so you can see what we are going to build in that video. Alright, I already explained what is hosting and domain in the video part 0, so I will explain the rest as we go. So let's jump right in. Okay, now go to this website, hostinger.com. Okay, now this is a hosting company where we could purchase our hosting and the domain as well. And this premium hosting plan is what we will purchase, not this one, the business plan. If you are like me, have a website studio agency or planning to have many websites with significant traffic, then go with this business plan. If you just want to ditch your StanStore, the premium is enough. First thing first, it says $3 a month, right? But the normal price is actually $12 a month. So after the first year, we will be paying the normal price, which is around $144 per year. It's already 50% lower than StanStore. So now let's get a better deal. I'll click this button first and choose 12 months. Now it's $11 a month, not $12. What does it mean? If right now you choose 12 months, in the next year during the normal price, you will pay only $11 per month, which is $132, not $144. And even lower if you take 24 or 48 month cycle. So by choosing only 12 months, you already won by saving more than 50% of your operational cost to sell downloadables. For a storefront that is so flexible that you can plug in any feature that you need for free. But it's your choice. Now let's go back. Now I'm gonna show you how to purchase this, alright? Click this button, choose plan. Okay, for the first year, we get the promo price, $3 a month or $36 a year, like 7-8 Americanos, right? And if you want to, you can use my link to get 20% more, like this. Okay, it's the first link in the description, just click it and you will be redirected to this same screen, but with better price. Alright, now click continue. I will just sign in instead of signing up because I already have 3 accounts here, but just sign up and you will be redirected to this checkout page. Now, this is just regular checkout process. We have billing address here and order summary. Okay, now fill in your billing address. I already have because I already have an account anyway. And then click continue. Your payment methods. Okay, click get started. Now we are doing the onboarding. This one is simply asking whether we want to create a website or migrating an existing website. So we choose create a website. Click next. Now this one is asking whether we want to build using WordPress or using hosting our website. If you choose hosting our website, you'll end up choosing another SaaS with limited subscription template, and we'll always be in that kind of loop. So let me emphasize, WordPress.org is the key. Alright, click next. Now we need to create a login detail for our upcoming website. They provide us a random password, so I will change it with my own. Remember, this will be your login access to the website. You can change it on the website, but you cannot see the password. So yeah, click next. Now we are prompted with this option, but our goal is to build our own from scratch, and I will show you the official themes library anyway inside the website. So choose create blank site. Now this one asks for a domain. If you choose a hosting plan with 1 year cycle or even more, we will get a free domain for 1 year. So just search your domain on the search bar. I will go with Pumpkin Store. It will present you with the options anytime now. Okay, we have a lot of domain option here. We got .eu, .id, even .io here. It's an expensive domain, by the way. There's me, but I'll choose .com because it's the most trusted and only $17 next year, so it's still around 50% more affordable than a Stan Store. Now, because a domain is like your official home address on internet, we should register it. It only asks name, phone, address, and email. Like if the website with this domain is selling illegal stuff, they can contact the owner of this address. So just make sure it's correct, and let's keep internet safe. Now click finish registration. This one is about server database. In simple words, the servers are located in various countries, and we are welcomed to choose which one the closest to our country or our main visitors. This won't make your website fast like a light speed, but I'm just gonna choose where I live now. It will redirect us to this dashboard of our website, but it's still using some random domain URL, right? Because we are just finished installing like a second ago and the backend is still processing. But if we go to Hostinger, oh, they have the button here, click it. This is actually my other hosting plan, which already have several websites here. So let's go back to the home page. Find the hosting, premium hosting. Okay, this one, click manage. Okay, from here, click this WordPress admin. It will send us to the website dashboard again, but already with our domain. But sometimes it takes maybe a few minutes. So yeah, oh, our domain is already set. Great. Besides logging in through this button on Hostinger, we could just go to pumpkinstore.com/wp-admin. Hit enter. Now, we could directly getting insight into our website without entering the hosting first. Of course, we already logged in, so we are directly going back inside. But if we logged out first over this, actually this is how to log out. Here, this is just a regular login page, right? So you could just enter your username or email address and your password, and then click login. Now we are jumping back into our dashboard, the main dashboard of our website. So every time you log into your website, this screen is what you will see, not this one. This one is Hostinger dashboard, and this is additional, and we don't need this. So we will remove this in a second. Now let's take a look to the face of our website. Add new tab, type in your domain, without the WP admin, so just your domain. Okay, so after setting up the hosting and domain, if we access the website, this is what it will look like. By default, this website is already using a theme which called 2025. But depending when you watch this video, it may be different because every year WordPress will release their default theme. So if you watch this in 2026, for example, what you will see is not something like on my screen right now. So let's get back to our dashboard and close this one first. Now in this dashboard, actually nothing relevant for this video, so I'll explain everything as we go, alright? And I want to talk a little bit about theme. Hover your mouse in this appearance menu, click themes. Okay, on this page is where you can find a theme to manage. By default, the 2025 is activated and the other two are installed. And if you click this add theme, it will show you this library. All of this, you can install it and then you can activate it. Okay, so how it works. Some of these themes are made by the WordPress itself, like 2025, 2024 here, 2023 and so on. But the rest, which is majority of the themes, are made by others. And basically the WordPress websites require a theme and lots of them allows us to customize it. Whether the theme has its own editor or require a page builder plugin that I will show you in a bit in this video. But we will go through the whole customization in the video part 2, okay? Just to manage your expectation here. Now let's do the funnel for your storefront. Click this plugins menu. So what is plugin? Without being technical, plugin is actually an integration. So when we first set up the WordPress website, all you can do right away is just blogging. Just like this. There is post, which is the blog, adding image, adding page, managing comment on the blog, but no real function. Basically it's empty, right? We need plugin to add function that we need to our website. Like if you want to sell stuff, you need a plugin. You want to have a booking system for your Airbnb, for example, you need a plugin. You want to build email list, of course, you need a plugin. So it's totally different than StanStore or any tools you use where you cannot do what you need to do unless they provide it on their app, and maybe the pricing will be increased as well. So it's just like Lego. What feature you need for your unique idea or selling strategy, just find the plugin and install it. And just like these 3 plugins, which are pre-installed by Hostinger, since we are using Hostinger, they add some functionalities, but we don't need them. So select all of these plugins, select deactivate here, and click apply. Once deactivated, select all of them again, and choose delete, and click apply. Click OK. Now if we hit refresh, we have 0 plugins. And for our funnel feature, let's find the plugin. Click here, add plugin. Type in WP funnels. Here on the left, by WP funnels. Click install now. Click activate. Now it will redirect us to this setup wizard. If you want to read first or watch the video, please go ahead, but after that, click this. Let's start. Alright, in here you need to make sure that the sales funnel is selected, and the page builder here, select Elementor. Page builder like Elementor, Bricks, and all of this are actually a page builder. When you installed a theme, you can also install a page builder to build your page with drag and drop feature, so you don't have to rely on a template anymore. And Elementor is the famous one, and I use it all the time, and I recommend it to you because it's easy to use. Next, scroll down, and both of this WooCommerce Elementor should be selected by default. It's required. WooCommerce is a plugin that will allow us to add a storefront functionality. Elementor, we already discussed it, and the last one here is a plugin for email marketing. You can build email lists, send email campaign, etc. But we will use other tools called Brevo, since it's allowed us to collect even 100k emails with their free plans. Click next. Alright, the setup wizard is done. This one is up to you whether you want to opt in or not, but I will toggle this off. Next, click create funnel here. It will redirect us here, and this is the dashboard for WP funnels. Alright, if you notice, after we install and activate a plugin, it will be appeared on the left bar menu here. We have WP funnels, WooCommerce here, and Elementor here. You can just click it if you want to access it. Now, before we create our funnel, we need to prepare our product first. Click this product menu. Now this is the wizard for our storefront feature. Click set up my store. Here just choose I'm just starting my business. Click continue. Give it a name if it's empty. You can change it later. And for the type of business, I will choose other or just anything you want. And then your location. This won't be visible to anyone. It's just for you. Your email if it's empty. And this one is up to you whether to opt in or not. Click continue. Now this is similar to the WP funnels earlier where we were asked to install another plugin, but this time unselect all of them. For the payment, we will use a different plugin because the plugin made by the WordPress themselves is not that good. Now click continue. Okay, we will be redirected to this screen, the dashboard page of WooCommerce plugin, the Storefront plugin. Just ignore this and go to the left bar, hover the product menu, click add new product. Now this is where you can add your product, whether it's physical or digital product. We will create 2 product samples and both of them are digital product, downloadables. Now let's do the title and then description. I will just add a placeholder text here. Add an image. Now scroll down. Check the virtual and downloadables as well, okay? The virtual will tell the system that there won't be any shipping, and downloadables will show this field. I will add the price for $1. We will do some setting after this one, okay? Like the currency, etc. No discount for this one, but we will talk about this in the video part 2. Click add files and give it a name. Provide the download link. It's just a random PDF URL. It could be from your Google Drive or anywhere, or you can upload the file to the website. Click this choose file you want to upload, and then click upload tab, and then select files from your computer, okay? But I recommend to upload it to your Google Drive and provide the link just like what I did, because it will free up your hosting resources, especially if you are planning to have a lot of files. And then a short description. Now on the right side, let's add product image. Click set product image. Choose the image. Click set product image. We will skip this gallery. Let's add category. Click here and write the category name. For example, digital marketing. Hit enter. We can skip this, it doesn't matter. Now go up and click publish. Let's see it on the website. Click view product here. Here's our first product. You can see there are 2 descriptions, right? The short one and the long one. The long one is where you can write everything as long as you want, adding an image, link, etc. While the short one is actually the short one, like for a one-liner description. Okay, now go back to the dashboard by hovering this and click dashboard. And click add new product. Now I will repeat what we just did to create our second product. Okay, now we have 2 products and let's take a look, but now from our dashboard. On the left here, click all products. In this dashboard, we could sort the products based on name, SKU, price, and date. We can filter it and we can search using the search bar here. Now, when we create a product, it will automatically generate a product page. Right click this view button and open new tab. Like this. But this is the normal product page, not the landing page or the funnel. And we need to create the funnel for the product that we want to have a funnel, and we will create it after we do some setting for the storefront. Now go back inside, over this WooCommerce menu, click setting. In this general tab, just fill in your address. This won't be visible to your customer. The shipping location, just leave it by default. It won't affect anything since we sell digital product. And then select the currency to USD if you are selling in the US or globally. Click Save Changes and click Payment tabs. Now for the payment. First, we could actually integrate a lot of payment methods including PayPal and Stripe here, but I will only show you how to set up the PayPal because Stripe is not available in Indonesia, which is where I live, but the PayPal also have cards as well, so don't worry, I will show you. And the second, we will set up the PayPal later on in this video, so for now we will temporarily use this bank transfer so we could continue building and previewing the progress. So enable this bank transfer. This is where you can add your bank details if you want people to pay with your bank transfer. I'm just gonna give it a random stuff here since we won't do any actual transaction with this method. Click Save Changes. Alright, we already have the product and payment methods. Now let's create the funnel. Hover here, WP Funnels, and click Setting. This is the setting page of your funnel feature. Make sure the complete funnel, aka sales funnel, and our page builder, which is Elementor, is selected. Click Save. Then go to Funnels. Click Create First Funnel. Okay, so now we are seeing 14 templates for the funnel, but most of them are premium and sucks. Doesn't mean it's ugly. But template is not representing our own value, our brand, our unique selling strategy. So we will design it from scratch, but we will use the free template and then delete everything. So we don't have to set up the steps from scratch, only designing and attaching the product. Okay, hover your mouse and click Import. Now this is the canvas to edit our steps. The free plan allows us to have 3 steps and I think that's enough. Now in the first step, click this pencil icon to edit. It will open new tab. Alright, this is the Elementor page builder. Close this pop-up. Now, what are we seeing now? Again, I will go detail as we go, but let's explain some first. This main area is the canvas where we can drag and drop an element. On the top bar menu, we have an Elementor main menu. You can go back to WordPress dashboard from here. The plus icon here is the element list. Select an element, drag it, and drop it to the canvas. Next, the site setting. It is where you can set up your default typography, size, color, and everything so you don't have to do it one by one. Next is the structure. Basically, you can see what's on the canvas on this list. If we add an element to the canvas, like this, it will be shown here on the list. Next, the device. You get this, right? You can preview your design between devices. And this is Publish button. It will save and apply all of the edits here to the live website. Now from this structure, right click on your mouse or 2-finger tap and then click delete. And then do it for the rest until the canvas is empty. Another way to do this is to click this X button. Click it and click it all. Now on the left bar, this is all the available elements that we can add to our page. And all the elements need to sit inside a container. So to build our page, first we add the container to the canvas. And then add an element. Or you can just add elements and it will create a container automatically. Now I will add some elements to build a basic landing page, and I will not do any customization because we will do it in the video part 2. Okay, so our landing page now have a title, image, description, and a button. Now this is a button element from the WP Funnels plugin. Elementor has its own button element, but since we use WP Funnels for the funnel system, then we need to use their button. Not this one in this basic section, but this one in the WP Funnel section. And we need to choose next step. It means when people click this button, they will go to the second step of our funnel, which is checkout in this case. For this go to URL path, you can add any URL, maybe like your social media or Calendly, basically anything. And for another funnel, you need to select the funnel you have beside this one that we are creating right now. Okay, now click publish. Then click this Elementor logo, click exit to WordPress, and click the WordPress logo to go back to the dashboard. Go to the funnel. Select the funnel. Alright, we just did the first step. Now let's edit the second step, the checkout. Click the cart icon here. Now we will attach our product to the funnel. Click add product. Search the product, in this case, digital marketing. Select and click add. We will discuss the coupon in the other video, okay? Now click order bump. Click add order bump. Now this is where we set up the order bump for each funnel. Let's do it. Give it a name. Select any style you want. I'm good with this one. For the position, I will move it to before payment option. Select the product. In this case, it'll be social media. You can change the color text here, the content, but I'm good. Now click Save Changes. And go back. Make sure the status here is on. Click Save and close. Now let's edit the checkout page. Click the pencil icon. We delete everything and make it blank. Now I'm gonna add text element and the checkout element from WP Funnels. Okay, now we have a heading text ready to check out and the checkout form. Now click publish and then exit to WordPress. Click WordPress logo, click funnels, and click the funnels. Now let's do the thank you step. Click the pencil again, click the X icon. Now I will add tags and order detail element from WP funnel section. Now we have the basic thank you page. When people make a purchase and landing on this thank you page, this text, it will be replaced with their order details. Click publish. Once published, exit to WordPress. Go back to the dashboard, click funnels. Now we already have one funnel ready to accept customers. Now, where's the link? Click here, the eye icon. And this is the link that you can share. FYI, when your customer click the link, they won't see this black bar here. It's only visible to a logged in user, in this case me or you when you are logged into your website. Now let's switch the store from coming soon here to live. Select live, click save. Now let's test the funnel in other browser. I'll use Safari. Okay, go to the landing page. Click the button. Now the checkout. Just do the checkout and continue to pay. Remember that we are still using bank transfer, right? It's a manual process, so the customers won't receive the PDF until you as the owner verify it. Alright, we are on the thank you page. It's working. Now let's see the dashboard. I'll switch back first. Hover WooCommerce, click order. Now we have one and the status is on hold. Our product is not accessible yet to the customers. But let's pretend this customer already paid and let's verify the payment. Click it. In the status here, select completed. And click update. This will send our product to the customer, in this case myself. Oh, if the customers didn't receive the product, you could simply click this send order details and click update. Now let's check my email. Alright, well received. Now, what about automatic payment? We will do it with PayPal. Let's do it. Click add new plugin. Type in payment plugins. Choose PayPal here by payment plugins and click install now. Okay, activate. Just close this pop-up. Now, this is the dashboard. It's just like a shortcut menu. Just click setting, this one or this one. Now this is the setting page for our payment plugins. It doesn't have a dedicated menu like WP Funnels, WooCommerce, and Elementor here. Instead, it sits inside the WooCommerce as submenu. So if you want to access this setting page, just click PayPal by payment plugins and click setting. By the way, FYI, this production is like the state of your PayPal connection. They have two states, production and sandbox. Sandbox is like a testing state. You can test a transaction without paying with real money, but to be honest, it's quite technical and you need to connect with the PayPal sandbox as well. So let's just choose production, the live state. This is why I set my product at $1 so we can test it for real. Okay, click this button, click to connect. Now log in with your PayPal account. I assume you already have a PayPal business account because it's required to use the business account even in Stencil, right? But if you haven't, just sign up first on a different tab and then come back here. You can actually close this first. And after you sign up, click this click to connect button again. Otherwise, let's log in with your business account. Okay, now it's connected. But we do want accept cards too, right? So click this PayPal setting tabs. Scroll down. Enable this cards. You can choose the color of the button here. And if you enable this tagline, there will be a text like pay securely with PayPal or something like that. Now, beside the PayPal itself and cards here, we could actually enable more stuff like Venmo and Pay Later here. If it's available in your country and it's necessary to your business, just enable it. And now the last thing is we should activate the PayPal to accept payment. Now customer can pay with PayPal and cards. Now let's do the testing. I'll use Safari. Okay, go to the landing page. If you don't remember the URL, find the eye icon on the WP Funnels dashboard. Okay, we are now visiting as a customer. We are not logged in. No black bar here. Click the button. Do the checkout and select PayPal or cards. But I will choose PayPal. Thank you page. Alright, it's completed. Let's see the dashboard. See order details. It's completed. Automatically completed. Now let's check my email. Alright, this customer already paid and received what he deserves. Cool. And now my PayPal business account. Okay, the money is already in from my personal account. Awesome. Now I'm gonna show you this. The actual storefront that suit my needs, my branding, my identity, my selling strategy. So in the next video, I will show you how I did this so that you can drag and drop by yourself so you don't have to try to fit into a template anymore. So click the first link in the description and I'll see you there.